This AI can replace 10 jobs at once. Should we be worried? What if I told you one AI tool can already do the work of 10 people and it's getting better every month? Not in the future. Right now. So the real question is not can AI replace jobs, but how many and how soon? In the past, machines replaced muscle power. Today, artificial intelligence is replacing brain power. Writers, designers, customer support agents, accountants, coders, even teachers. Jobs once considered safe are now on the list. But here's the shocker, it's not 10 different AIs replacing 10 jobs. It's one AI doing all of them at once. Let's break this down. Modern AI systems, like large language models combined with automation tools, can already write emails, reports, and marketing content, design logos, posters, and presentations, answer customer queries 24/7, analyze data and generate insights, write and debug computer code, translate languages instantly, create lesson plans, summarize legal or financial documents, schedule meetings and manage workflows, even simulate human conversation convincingly. 10 roles. One system. And unlike humans, AI doesn't sleep, doesn't take breaks, and doesn't ask for a salary hike. This isn't theory. Companies are already doing this. Customer support teams reduced by 60% using AI chatbots, marketing agencies using AI instead of copywriters, startups running with 5 people doing the work of 50, software companies replacing junior developers with AI-assisted coding. Even CEOs are openly saying it now, we are hiring fewer people because AI is more efficient. This isn't automation coming. It's already here. So, should we panic? The honest answer is both yes and no. Yes, because millions of routine jobs will disappear, entry-level roles are at the highest risk, people who don't adapt may be left behind. But also no, because this has happened before. The Industrial Revolution destroyed jobs. But it also created entirely new industries. The key difference this time? AI is moving faster than humans can retrain. Despite the hype, AI still struggles with deep emotional intelligence, moral judgment, original creativity, leadership and decision-making under uncertainty, human trust and empathy. AI can imitate intelligence. But it does not understand life. At least, not yet. So here's the real danger. Not that AI will replace humans, but that humans who use AI will replace humans who don't. This is not the end of work. It's the end of work as we know it. Now I want to ask you, which jobs do you think AI will replace first, and which ones will survive? Tell me in the comments. If you like the video, please click on the like, subscribe and share buttons. Hit the bell icon to receive the latest updates.